Hi, Rick. Thanks for your question. What am I selling? I'm in digital marketing, is what I am, and I went into digital marketing. I didn't even realize what it was, and what it is four digital products that teach you how to market online. That is the number one problem that most people have if they're trying to advertise anything, is how to advertise, how to brand yourself, how to get a targeted audience, the content to put for a targeted audience. And there's four different platforms, there's four different products, and you get master resale rights to each of the products, so you earn 100% profit. There's also automations that are pre-built and done for you, a website that is set up and done for you. And the blueprint is all based around a 2-hour workday, so it's set up to free your time up so that you can have time to do the things you really love. And that is why I got into this, is because I just wanted more time with my family. And so the four digital platforms are, our most popular product is the Legacy Builder, and that is $900. Now there's no monthly expenses, it's a one-time cost. And if you come in at the Legacy Builder of $900, you immediately get the other three products also that you can earn. So that comes to a total of $1,900 that you could earn on just those four products alone. Okay, so there's no monthly expenses, and it's not MLM, and you don't have to find customers. Okay, and they teach you what content to put out there. And the mentoring, our mentor puts out a video every day, and she's a $1 million mentor, and she puts out it's almost like an interactive classroom is what it is. It's really impressive. And there's about 35,000 people in the community that and it's not just her. I think there's over 30 now six-figure earners from just this blueprint, not to mention thousands of others like myself that are having success with it. Now, my goal was to, by my 12th month, be earning $1,000 a month, or $12,000 in a year. And I've hit that already, my 4th month, and I'm at the 4,000. So I'm very blessed to be at that. So now my next goal is to go up to 5,000 a month. And with the products, it's possible, because the whole thing is to teach you how to market online. So it's been a blessing. It really has. Again, thank you for the question. I do appreciate it. And if you have any other comments, if you'd like more information, just comment ready, and I'll post the link down below in the comments.